Meow. Today we are giving a PSA, public service announcement, for pet fountains. In addition to a recent video on brands that vets found were knockoffs, our owner noticed something on our water fountain. Our owner was shocked after seeing something very disgusting in our fountain and decided to make a video of how to clean your cat fountain. Stay tuned for the cleaning video and keep those fountains fresh. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a simple message so YouTube gets these videos out and allow our human to make more. Meow, please see other Just the Facts do-it-yourself videos as well.
Cats love flowing water. They would not normally kill or eat near a water source as the food could contaminate their water. Cats' heightened sensitivity will cause them to dehydrate rather than drink. Some of us have learned this and have filtered water fountains. Our fur buddies deserve the best. I am not okay if something that I've given them to protect their water may be doing the opposite and could actually be hurting them. While scrolling YouTube, I saw a video about a veterinarian recommending water fountains and having people come back with a lot of negative reviews. This vet found that the reason cats were rejecting fountains and having dehydration issues was because the specific fountains were knockoff water fountains whose specifications did not have proper UV or surgical grade steel. The vet stated the actual brand he recommended does not sell on Amazon and only sells off the manufacturer's website. This fact is beside the point, as I just went back to get the brand name for you and found another vet with another brand. Cat Spout seemed to be one of the top, but this again is beside the point. For a good fountain you need stainless steel. Higher grade surgical steel is always better. A filter system, UV bacterial prevention, and to do your best research. A few minutes research and you can pick the best one. You do get what you pay for, and better is more expensive. Now here comes my situation, and possibly yours. I have one, it's a knockoff possibly. I am sure it is stainless steel, but not if it's surgical grade. I have not seen much, that I could not set up a cleaning regimen, so I don't have to toss out a water device when I basically just upgraded from a stainless steel bowl. So I went and looked very carefully at my water fountain. The water fountain, I've ensured I've cleaned or changed filters regularly and ensure the cats get filtered water. Only the best for furry friends. I noticed some dark spots on the pump device. So I started taking things apart. Goop started coming out of places, and gunk was stuck in others. I would have taken it outside and given it the hose. Instead, I decided to take the water pick and make this video for you on how to clean. As you will see, it is not difficult to take apart. See how I did most with one hand holding the camera. I found I was able to clean things to the point I could sleep well knowing they had safe water. The gunk that came out of the faucet tubes nearly had me gag. Please research, please try to keep this clean. There is nothing I can see different about a tube or the pump mechanism, so this could apply to all. Please use whatever you can to clean, get pipe cleaners if you can, and food-safe antibacterial soap. Do this regularly. Your fur buddies will thank you. Maybe you notice them trying to get water from elsewhere. They are possibly getting dehydrated, and you will not expect the reason is your shiny new water fountain.